Welcome to the FileAID data editor using XREF files module. Here you will learn how to use existing FileAID MVS cross-reference files during a FileAID data editor browse or edit session from the Compuware Workbench. We begin in the Host Explorer, zoom in on an existing ZOS filter, and scroll down to a file known to have multiple record types. This, of course, is where a cross-reference file is commonly used for browse and edit activities. We right-click on the file name to reveal the context menu and choose the FileAID data editor. Here we see the request box. When using a cross-reference file, the fields below must specify the desired XREF member name and layouts PDS. With those fields complete, we choose Browse and then run the request. The first record on the file is displayed in formatted mode. Note the record length. To illustrate the effect of the cross-reference file, scrolling to the next record reveals a different record layout and record length. Advancing one more record again shows a different record layout and record length. Returning to the request, we will look at using selection criteria accessed via the Conditions tab. Any existing selection criteria, often created on the mainframe, may be used. This includes formatted as well as unformatted criteria. Selection criteria created here in the Workbench must be unformatted. We will go through an example. We will select for browsing only purchase order records where the quantity ordered is less than 15. To begin, click on Select Field. We specify the conditions for a purchase order. Record locations 11 and 12 contain the value PO. After completing the fields, click OK. Similarly, we add the specified conditions for the quantity ordered. We see that the conditions built are reflected on the request panel, and we run the request. To verify the selection, we view the results in unformatted mode. First, we zoom in and check record positions 11 and 12 for PO. Then we scroll to the right to display the record at position 144 and click on the hex edit icon to view the packed field in hex. Zooming in, we see that the value in the first record is 1. There is one last new area in the request to cover. Recall that for a single record layout, the Fields tab displays the fields in the layout. Here, the user may select fields for inclusion in the display when the request is run. When using a cross-reference, the Fields tab is not in use as multiple record layouts are involved. This concludes this module. Thank you.